I was fond of cats even as a kid. Basically, my nickname at the nursery was Kitten, and I am not ashamed of it at all. As an adult, I became an archaeologist and a martial arts instructor, and I found out that in the Eastern Steppe and in East Asia, it is a great honor for a martial artist to be called cat. In addition, Yamaguchi Gōgen, the founder of the Gōjū-ryū karate style, had a simple and a popular nickname, cat. Examining the cat cult and the cat depictions among the Steppe nomadic peoples leads one to conclude that in terms of depiction, the cat cult was just as significant in the Steppe as it was in Egypt. If we look at the role of cats in Steppe people's art, we can say that among the Scythians, the various cat depictions are just as significant as those of stags or falcons. Not only the eastern Steppe's big cats, mainly cheetahs, were used for hunting. Snow leopards were less commonly used, yet once was said to have joined a Mongolian shepherd of its own accord. Medieval Hungarian kings and Transylvanian rulers were also likely to use cheetahs for hunting. We know the example of the Hegyei family who, during the reign of Sigismund of Luxembourg, acquired a family coat of arms that depicted a hunting cheetah. According to written sources, tame cheetahs lived in King Matthias Animal Park. Sultan Suleiman also used cheetahs for hunting. As far as I know, the two last hunting cheetahs, named Hylax and Pilax, were used for hunting in the court of Transylvanian ruler Kemény János. According to Gōjū-ryū János' epic poem, an Armenian merchant brought these outstanding hunting cats from the Caucasus.